Welcome back. I found some key differences that almost no one talks about. So watch to the end or you'll miss the most important part. If accounting software had a personality, Ledger would be the type that refuses to use a mouse, drinks black coffee, and thinks spreadsheets are already too fancy. Let's go straight into pricing, starting with Ledger, the command line accounting tool. Ledger is completely free and open source. There are no subscription fees, no paid tiers, no usage limits, and no features locked behind upgrades. You install Ledger locally on your computer and use it indefinitely without ever paying for licenses. Because Ledger works entirely with plain text files and runs from the command line, there are no hosting costs unless you personally choose to store your data remotely. From a pricing standpoint, Ledger is as simple and transparent as software gets, $0 forever, with full access to everything it can do. Now let's compare that to Apache OFBiz pricing. Apache OFBiz is also fully free and open source. There are no subscriptions, no per-user fees, and no premium editions. The software is distributed under an open source license, allowing anyone to download, modify, and deploy it without cost. As with Ledger, any expenses related to Apache OFBiz come from infrastructure, hosting, customization, or professional services if a business chooses to hire developers or consultants. From a pure pricing perspective, Ledger and Apache OFBiz are equal. You're not paying for software licenses, but you are trading ease of use for flexibility, ownership, and technical responsibility. Now let's move into Ledger features. Ledger is a powerful plain text accounting system designed for users who value accuracy, transparency, and speed. Transactions are recorded in human-readable text files that can be edited with any text editor, stored in version control systems, and audited line by line. Ledger supports full double-entry accounting, multiple accounts, commodities, currencies, and complex financial calculations. Users can generate balance sheets, income statements, cash flow summaries, and highly customized reports instantly using command line queries. Ledger excels at automation. Because it integrates seamlessly with other command line tools, users can script workflows for reporting, backups, forecasting, and data analysis. Ledger is extremely fast, even with large datasets, and produces accurate results without relying on databases or cloud services. This makes it popular among developers, engineers, and technically inclined users who want complete control over their financial data and long-term portability. Now let's look at the pros and cons of Ledger. On the positive side, Ledger is free, lightweight, incredibly fast, and fully transparent. Data is plain text, portable, and easy to audit. On the downside, Ledger has a steep learning curve, no graphical interface, and requires comfort with command line workflows. It lacks built-in invoicing, inventory, and business process tools, making it best suited for personal finance or technically managed accounting rather than full operational businesses. Now let's move into Apache OFBiz features. Apache OFBiz is a full-scale open-source enterprise resource planning platform built to support complex, real-world business operations across multiple departments. Unlike Ledger, which focuses purely on accounting logic and financial records, OFBiz delivers a broad and deeply integrated suite of business modules designed to work together inside a single system. These modules include accounting, inventory management, order processing, manufacturing, supply chain management, customer relationship management, e-commerce, and human resources. OFBiz is built as a modular framework, meaning businesses can activate only the components they actually need while customizing workflows extensively to match internal processes. Apache OFBiz includes a robust accounting engine that supports general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, budgeting, financial reporting, and tax configuration. Financial data flows seamlessly between accounting and operational modules, reducing manual reconciliation and duplicate data entry. Inventory tools allow businesses to manage warehouses, stock levels, product catalogs, and inventory movements across multiple locations with precision. Order management features handle sales orders, purchase orders, invoicing, pricing rules, discounts, and promotions, making it suitable for both business to business and direct to consumer operations. OFBiz also supports multi-store e-commerce, customer accounts, product catalogs, and shopping cart functionality, allowing businesses to run online sales directly from the platform. Manufacturing and supply chain features support production planning, bills of materials, and workflow tracking. Because OFBiz is web-based and multi-user by design, it supports role-based permissions and concurrent access, making it suitable for teams, departments, and entire organizations rather than individual users. In real-world use, Apache OFBiz is often adopted by organizations that want a single system to manage both financial data and operational processes without relying on multiple disconnected tools. Because accounting, inventory, and order management live inside the same platform, businesses gain clearer visibility into how transactions impact stock levels, cash flow, and profitability in real time. This tight integration is especially valuable for companies that handle large product catalogs, multi-location inventory, or complex order life cycles that require accurate coordination between departments. Now let's look at the pros and cons of Apache OFBiz. On the positive side, OFBiz is extremely powerful, flexible, and capable of supporting enterprise-level operations without licensing costs. It offers true ERP functionality, deep customization, and strong integration between financial and operational data. Businesses that invest in proper implementation can tailor OFBiz to very specific workflows and long-term operational needs. On the downside, Apache OFBiz requires significant technical expertise to install, configure, and maintain. Implementation can be time-consuming. The interface is functional rather than modern, and ongoing customization often requires developer resources. It is not suitable for small teams or solo users without technical support. When it comes to ratings, neither Ledger nor Apache OFBiz has extensive official listings on platforms like Capterra. Because both tools are open source and not marketed as commercial SaaS products, formal star ratings may be unavailable or limited. However, both are highly respected within their respective communities. Ledger is widely praised for precision, speed, and transparency among developers and power users, while Apache OFBiz is recognized for its depth, flexibility, and ability to handle complex enterprise workflows in demanding environments. These opinions reflect long-term community sentiment rather than official aggregated review scores. Here's the final takeaway. Choose Ledger if you want a minimalist, transparent, and scriptable accounting system, and you're comfortable working in a command line environment. Choose Apache OFBiz if you need a full ERP platform capable of managing accounting, inventory, orders, manufacturing, and operations at scale. Both tools demonstrate that powerful financial and business software doesn't require expensive subscriptions. To explore either platform for yourself, click the link below to access the software and see which one fits your workflow best. If this breakdown helped you, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and comment with the next open source tool you want compared, so you never miss another deep dive comparison.